Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. From this video, we will learn how to crack the CBSE Class 10th board exam with some proven preparation hacks. So let's start and be prepared for your upcoming exams. And please subscribe this channel for more informative mathematics videos.
Are you gearing up for the CBSE Class 10th board exams? Here are some effective tips to help you prepare for success. First, familiarize yourself with the CBSE Class 10th syllabus. Make sure you know the topics and chapters that are part of your exam. Plan your study schedule by allocating specific time slots for each subject. Balance your time based on the difficulty level of each subject. Refer to NCERT textbooks as they are the basis for CBSE exams. Additionally, you can use reference books for better understanding and practice. Solve sample papers, previous year's question papers, and additional exercises to practice different types of questions. This will help you understand the exam pattern and improve your time management skills. Prepare concise notes while studying. These notes can serve as a quick revision tool before the exams. If you have doubts or find a topic challenging, don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, classmates, or online resources. Remember, consistent and smart study habits are crucial. Break down your study sessions into manageable chunks, stay organized, and stay focused on your goals. Good luck!